Hi you guys, so today I'm making a pomegranate mango refresher. Okay, first I'm gonna pour this cranberry pomegranate juice. About half of a cup. Okay, now I have mango chunks and I'm gonna wash them. Okay, now I washed them. Now I'm just gonna put a few into the cranberry juice. Okay, now I'm gonna cut up this pomegranate, but first I'm gonna wash it. Okay, I'm gonna cut it in half. Here's how it looks. Okay, now I'm gonna take the seeds out. Okay, you guys, I have cut up the pomegranate. Now I'm gonna cut up a lime. Okay, now that I have the lime cut up, I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of the lime into the drink. Okay, now I'm gonna take some of the pomegranates and put them on the top of the drink. And have a little slice of lime, and I'm gonna put it on the drink just like that. Okay, you guys, here's the end results. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.